Hi everyone, this is Cassie from Ringpack. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to introduce popcorn packages. When it comes to enjoying a movie night or kosher snack, nothing quite compared to the aroma and crush of popcorn. Let's take a look at popcorn packages. First one is middle sealed pouch. It has suitable thickness and it is easy to open. This is a standard pouch. It has zipper on the top and aluminum foil inside to keep popcorn fresh. We can customize different sizes, surface effect such as glossy, matte, and so on. Next is transparent plastic gels. It can be seen everywhere. We can provide customization service for all kinds of popcorn packages. Let us help your popcorn business. If you are interested, please contact us. I will see you next time. Bye bye.